I'm a big fan of desk shelves, and I've been using the GroupMate one for the past year. But recently, the good folks over at Balolo reached out to me and offered to send their latest releases from the Setup Cockpit lineup for me to review. So, in today's video, I'll be unboxing it and giving you my honest thoughts on it. I've received two big boxes. The first one contains some desk accessories such as desk pads, MagSafe stands, and modular accessories for the desk shelf. They also included a Stream Deck to my surprise, and I'm very grateful for that. But the main protagonist of this video are the large black desk shelf and the middle-sized oak and walnut desk shelves, along with the new large-size trays. Not only do all their products feel premium, but I also noticed the eco-friendly packaging, which is completely devoid of any plastic. This emphasis on sustainability is truly commendable and sets them apart from other brands. The wool felt desk pad is surprisingly good. It was super easy to flatten it out, and compared to the one from GroupMate, is twice as thick. It also features an anti-slip coating on the underside, which is very convenient. But now, let's talk about the Setup Cockpit. It comes with a smaller box that contains a short guide on how to take care of it, two medium-density fiberboard feet, and a steel support leg that will make the shelf capable of supporting any monitor size and prevent it from bending. The shelf itself is made of plywood with a birchwood and oakwood veneer stained black. The bottom features a mounting grid system that allows to screw modular accessories such as laptop, smartphone, and headphone stands. The mounting process requires between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on how many accessories you get. I recommend using a soft piece of cloth if you assemble it on a hard surface to avoid scratching the shelf. My favorite accessory for the Setup Cockpit is the large tray. A few months ago, I had a conversation with the CEO of Balolo, and I suggested to make a full-size tray for the desk shelf. To my delight, they really listened to my feedback and went ahead to make a bigger tray, which shows how customer-centric they are. Even though I'm not a customer of their brand, they still took my feedback seriously and made changes to their product based on my suggestions. This goes to show that they truly value and prioritize customer satisfaction, and I'm glad that I have contributed to make their product better. Another great modular accessory for the Setup Cockpit is the laptop dock. Unfortunately, I can't use it to hold my Mac, since it will get in the way of my microphone boom arm, but I can still use it to hold notebooks or tablets. Finally, I really like this holder, which will be the perfect support for my iPad. You can also use it to place the Stream Deck or to hold your phone in horizontal view. The middle-sized shelves are suitable for smaller desks. I really like the oak color. It gives off relaxing vibes just by looking at it. It's not my go-to in terms of aesthetics for my studio, since I prefer dark wood tones. But I would love to build a light and clean workspace one day, just to showcase oak and maple accessories. The larger shelf is 113 centimeters long. On the other hand, the small shelves are 74, which means they're 40 centimeters smaller. I honestly love every single one of them, but my favorite is the large one in walnut, which I used as a plant support because I was missing the full-size tray that I have in the one from GroupMate. But now that I can attach the new tray, I can finally say that this is the best desk shelf on the market today. Once again, Balolo has exceeded my expectations. Their furniture keeps getting better and better, and I'm excited about what the future holds for this brand. The quality is excellent, and I love the customizable desk shelf that allows me to arrange my working tools in my arm reach. If I had to nitpick, I would say that the tray don't match the feet on the shelf. Balolo could solve this issue by making the feet slightly larger or shortening the trays. Additionally, I suggest that they take advantage of the solid steel trays by creating a set of magnetic cable organizers similar to the one made from Orbit Key. When it comes to prices, Balolo's furniture is a case of you get what you paid for. Although it may seem expensive at first, if you take care of it, it can last for decades. So, if you have the budget for it, consider it a long-term investment that will save you money in the long run. It's worth it to invest in quality furniture instead of opting for cheaper alternatives that may not last as long. And with that, I'll see you in the next one.